Imagine losing your central vision. The faces of the people you love vanish. Words on a page blur into an unreadable mess. Millions of people worldwide suffer from macular degeneration. It's a cruel condition. You keep your side vision, but the center, the part you use for reading, driving, and recognizing faces, just disappears. It's the leading cause of vision loss in older adults, and until now, there has been no cure. The impact on daily life is absolutely devastating, stripping away independence and connection, but a radical new implant is changing everything. Scientists have developed a microchip, just 2 millimeters wide, that can restore central vision. During a surgical procedure, this tiny device is placed directly under the damaged part of the retina. They then project that image into your eye using invisible infrared light. The chip picks up this light and converts it into electrical signals, just like a healthy retina would. These signals travel up the optic nerve to your brain, and incredibly, the brain interprets them as sight. You can see again. The implant essentially stimulates the surviving, healthy retinal cells. It's like plugging a brand new device into your eye's old, but still functional, wiring. Now, we're not fully restoring natural sight just yet. The vision created is black and white and has a lower resolution, but it's enough to make a world of difference. Patients can read short words, see the shapes of objects, and, most importantly, recognize the faces of people standing right in front of them. The results from clinical trials are nothing short of miraculous. We're talking about patients with advanced, end-stage macular degeneration. Most of them were able to recognize letters on a screen. Some could read labels on products and even pages in a book. And the side effects? So far, they've been mild and temporary. Things like swelling, inflammation, and some discomfort right after the procedure. So, what's next? Researchers are already working on the next generation of this technology. They want more. They're aiming for higher resolution, creating a sharper, more detailed image. They're experimenting with ways to introduce full color, bringing vibrancy back to the world. One day, chips like this may restore sight that's almost indistinguishable from the real thing. This isn't just about technology. This is about restoring independence. It's about recognizing faces, reading words, and reconnecting with life in a way that was thought to be lost forever.